Question. All dimmer switches are the same, aren't they? Well, actually, no. Here's our dimmer switch. I'll show you the lights it's actually controlling. There we are. That's about as much as they dim. Yes, those are dimmable LEDs, but unlike ordinary incandescent lamps, these don't dim much. This dimmer switch by Varilight is actually specifically made for LED lights. I'm going to change it and see how I get on. Here we are, I've now changed it. It does dim it down more than what the previous dimmer did, but because this dimmer switch is programmable, let's see if I can dim it even more. I have to turn the lights on and off 3 times and then turn them up and then all the way down. Let's do that now. The lights should, yes they have. Then I should turn it all the way up. And then down to where I think minimum should be, then leave it, and they will pulse. And I'll leave it for a further 3 seconds, and that should be it. Let's turn them back on again. They should be on really dim. Yes, interesting. The observant amongst you would have noticed it's a 2-gang dimmer. So now I'm going to do the same thing, but for the other set of lights. On and off 3 times. Adjust it down to the dimmest I want it. Leave it for at least 3 seconds, which I have. Then turn it off. Leave it for a further 3 seconds to be sure. When I turn it on, it should be really dim. Lo and behold, it is. Much better. Sorry it's in reverse order, but this is the box for it. It's a Varilight dimmer, 2-gang 100 watt. It cost just under £21 and I got it from TLC Direct, but other suppliers are available. As you saw, it's quite good really, especially considering it's programmable. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee.